Welcome to Media Training Worldwide. This is the one place online and in the real world where we are devoted 100% to helping you communicate more effectively. Doesn't matter if you're giving a speech, a presentation, doing a live TV interview, talking to a print journalist, or doing your own YouTube or TikTok video. We want to help you communicate the absolute most effectively you can communicate, and really make sure you come across comfortable, confident, relaxed, that people understand you, remember your messages, and take the actions you want. That is the essence of communication. So that's what we focus on here, and we do it in a variety of ways. In-person, one-on-one, intensive, day-long, even week-long workshops. Also, group workshops and seminars. We have a tremendous number of live online trainings, plus on-demand video-based courses. Every single possible way you could learn to be a better communicator, we have a solution for you. I'm TJ Walker, and I've been helping people communicate more effectively since 1984. I'm glad you stopped by, and I'm looking forward to working with you.